In this video, we're going to continue on with our draw options and we're going to have a play around with the option called Lasso. Now, on a Mac, we have multiple options for this, but we are going to have a play with the Lasso, and I'm going to show you another way you can do it as well. So if you head across to this one, Lasso, essentially what it allows us to do is draw a line around different shapes. For example, I'm going to draw a line around 3 and 4, and that then groups those shapes together and allows me to move them together if I wanted to put these numbers in order. Now you can see that obviously these are two different shapes, so I can move them. If I go back to text mode, I can move these shapes individually. They're not actually joined together. So again, I'm going to have another go at drawing a line around number 1 and 2. Didn't really do a good job there. Let's go again. Draw a line around 1 and 2. That's going to identify them. I click in the middle and I can then move those shapes together. So that's using Lasso. Another option we have on a Mac is simply using our text mode and getting our cursor and dragging a little square around those two options and then being able to click and move them together as well. Or if I wanted to, I can create a big square and highlight all of those things and move them all around together. But you might find you like drawing around the Lasso and have some use for that. Whichever one you prefer, it's going to give you pretty much the same outcome. But that is how to use Lasso on OneNote for Mac.